Morning, Richard. Yeah, great, thanks. Yeah, mate, yeah, all packed. Yeah, I downloaded the routes onto the TomTom last night. Yeah, panniers are all packed. Yeah, looking forward to it, mate. Spain looks good. Weather in Spain, I think 20 odd, 24. I'll see you at Worcester Services. Yeah, see you soon. Okay, ta-da, bye. Right, let's get ready. Helmets. Let's go.
Well, good morning everybody. It is 6:15 in the morning and I'm setting off to Spain. But first of all, it'll be really quiet around the estate, and then I've got to head out towards the M5, head down to Plymouth. But before that, I'm meeting with Richard, Neil and Liam, have a coffee and then head down to Plymouth. The bike was all packed up yesterday with panniers, top box and dry bag with all the essentials. Hardly slept a wink last night. I think I was so excited. Yesterday absolutely dragged in time, and then of course while you're laid there at night you're thinking about all the things that you've packed, and have you forgotten to pack something. Let's head out of the village of Pontesbury near Shrewsbury on the A488, and let's head down the A5, hit the M56 and then the M6 and then the M5, and then let's meet Richard, Neil and Liam at Worcester Services, and I shall speak to you hopefully when the sun's up. Well, good morning everybody. That's us just done the M5 and we're hopefully heading into the McDonald's at Droitwich Services to meet Richard, Neil and Liam. 12 degrees this morning. Looking forward to 20 degrees in Spain. Any bikes here yet? Right, welcome back everybody. That's us just left McDonald's and we're all four of us. We've got Liam behind me, Neil in front, Richard at the front, and we're just getting back onto the M5 to make our way down to Plymouth to catch the ferry to Santander. We've got another 100 miles to do, another couple of hours till we get to Plymouth, and then I shall get back to you when we're just about to get to the ferry. Right, welcome back to the channel everybody. This is us now at the Plymouth ferry. It's taken us 4 hours to get down to Plymouth all in all. We stopped off halfway for a coffee. Pont Aven is just docking, so I think it's going to be a while till we dock. So that's us just, we've shown our passports, we've got our boarding cards and everything like that to get onto the ferry. And we're all set, just waiting for boarding. Well, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to Santander. CA 183 to Espinilla. We start going up. We've got awesome scenery, great little villages. Yeah, very lucky to have this on our first day. When you're straight into it. Most times you go on tour, and if you get the Channel Tunnel over to France, you're at least a day, 2 days, if not. Trying to get out of the major port and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, very lucky to get straight into some very good roads, very good scenery. Right, let's get cracking. Oh, this is tremendous. So lucky to have this on the first day of just getting off the ferry. Visibility is close. I cannot see a thing. We've just come up this mountainside, and honestly, visibility is just a couple of feet. There's cows on the side of the road. There's traffic coming over our side of the road. I just hope that you can see this. But what a stark difference. So we've come out of glorious sunshine, sat in a cafe basking in the sun, to now at the top of a mountain where visibility is pretty much zero. It's just a real shame, because that was a cracking road going up there, that little twisty mountain pass, and just hindered. There's no views, and with everything close in, it feels almost claustrophobic. But it's part and parcel. That makes up, an interesting day. Like a difference of weathers, difference in roads, difference in views. It's all good though. I've really enjoyed it. What a fantastic first day. Well done, Rich, for planning the route. And if this is what it's going to be like on the first day, then I think we're in for a treat, because I think there's plenty more to come. Like I said, it's the first time I've been to the Picos de Europa, first time I've been to northern Spain on the motorbike. So far, it's turning out to be an absolute cracking start to the trip. This is what I come to Spain for, these roads. Fantastic. Back up into the fog and the mist. So we are still on the 281. Yeah, 281. And what a fantastic road this is. Still on it, and it's still belting into these twisties. Just fabulous. The tarmac is just awesome. There's no grit, gravel or anything like that on the bends, and they're just constant left to right all the time, and then into nice little sweeping bends and then tight switchbacks, enabling you to just open the bike up afterwards. It's a long straight. We're 10 to 6 in the evening. I've got an hour left to run to the accommodation, and we've had 3 mega fantastic roads today, and I'm just grinning, honestly grinning ear to ear with these. And I had to discover the Picos at some point, and I'm so glad that I have. I'm so glad that I've done it, because I see so many videos on YouTube of people raving about how good these roads are, but until you've done it, that tightened. Yeah, just so grateful that I've managed to be able to get out here and do this, because back home at the moment we've got weather warnings, torrential downpours, the weather's cooler, and we're out here, and although there's a drizzle of rain, the temperature's just so lovely. 20 degrees, just so comfortable. The views from here with all these little castles down there, little farm cottages surrounded by lush green hills. I just can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. This is fantastic. Look at this. Look at this road. Wowzers. Wow. It's tight. Tight and gnarly, but look at this. This is... Wow, what's this? Oh, tremendous. I have seen this road before on other people's videos. Look at that, there's a big dam up there, look. Oh my god, keep your eyes on the road. Tremendous, so prehistoric round here. Oh wow, what a road, what a road. Oh, yes. Fantastic. This is the highlight of the day. This road, this place. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God. Fantastic. Wowzers. Fantastic road base. Highlight of the day. That's fantastic. Good little stop off there at the dam. Got a good little photograph of all of us. Definitely saved the best till last, because this is tremendous. Right, we've got just under an hour to get to the accommodation. I've been a rose between 3 thorns today. 3 Triumph riders, just a lonely Yamaha making up the numbers. But yeah, fantastic day today. I'm blown away with how good northern Spain is, and I've only been on the road since 2 o'clock, so what's that, 5 hours today. Yeah, absolutely brilliant, and I can't wait for tomorrow.